In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make logo for your business in 5 minutes with Canva. First, open your web browser and search for Canva. Click through to the official site and sign into your account so your work saves automatically. Once you're in, you'll be on the home dashboard, which is where all the design magic starts. Next, look for the Create button. Click it, and from the list of design types, choose Logo. Picking the logo template sets your canvas to a square format and gives you access to logo-friendly tools and elements, which makes the process faster and cleaner. If you already have a symbol, sketch, or an image you want to use, head to the left-hand panel and click Uploads, then hit Upload Files and select the image from your computer. It will appear in your Uploads library. Drag it onto the canvas and resize it by pulling the corners. Try to keep your main icon centered and leave some breathing room around the edges so it looks professional at any size. Now let's add your brand name and tagline. Click Text, then add a text box. Type in what you want. With the text selected, use the toolbar at the top to adjust the font, size, weight, and color. Choose a font that matches your brand personality. Clean sans serifs feel modern, while serifs can look more classic. Keep legibility in mind, especially at smaller sizes. You can tweak spacing and alignment to balance your text with the icon. To change the background color, click anywhere on the empty background of the canvas. A color swatch will appear at the top. Click it, scroll through the options, or enter a custom color. Aim for strong contrast between the background and your text or icon so your logo stands out on screens and print. If you prefer to generate ideas quickly, you can also use Canva's design features. Open the design panel and enter a prompt describing your ideal logo. Paste your idea, then click Generate Design. Include your brand name, your industry, the vibe you're going for, and any preferred colors. After it generates options, browse the results and choose the logo you like best. If it's not quite right, simply edit your prompt, be more specific or change the style, and generate again. You can still fine-tune fonts, colors, and layout on any option you select. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a clean, professional logo using Canva. Take a moment to review spacing, color contrast, and readability, and you're ready to put your new brand mark to work.